Moi Moi in 7 minutes. Count me in. Hi faves, I'll be making Moi Moi in the LG Neochef Microwave. Super easy, super fast. Let me show you how. So I'll add my beans to a bowl like this. I'll add my pepper. I'm using scotch bonnet, tatashe, and chombo onions. I'll add that. I'll also be adding some crayfish. I'll proceed to blend all of this together. So I'll add some water to this to blend. Transfer the batter into a bowl. If you love what you just watched and also think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community for a chance to review one of the LG Neochef Microwave. Follow the link in my bio and join.